if you want my papa,
you young man, stop there!
Eh?
Come inside.
Wait.
Tope, here's your father. BABATOPE! BABATOPE! See, your father, I know, say your papa, they will catch shon, they give women belly up and down. But for your papa to carry in two left legs, come my house. Come give my cousin Onome, come give Onome belly, I can't take it. BABATOPE!
Uncle.
What?
It's not BABATOPE, it's Tope. It's not BABATOPE, it's Tope.
Okay, let me. Who be the Tope?
Officer, let me be Tope. Yes, but the guy will talk small picking like this. You don't believe saying me go free? Give this person me. Even my magic picking self, I never dey look up. Now, they will get put out back like this and go one day. Officer, me, I don't like it.
Mr. Tope, you are under arrest for anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay, wait first. I say I have a fundamental right to make a call my woman like activist. Wait, 1 minute. Just come inside, come the arrest. Hello, Baba. See, what is your name? Come now, just like lawyer. Come now, I beg. Now. Wait, my lawyer dey come.
What is going on? Hey, hold on. What is the problem here? What is going on here?
BABATOPE, your son Tope gave this young lady belly.
Where is your evidence? Where is your evidence?
Which other evidence do you need again? This young man gave this young lady belly and you are still requesting for evidence.
According to the Section 5, subsection 20 of the Nigerian Constitution, and when I mean Nigerian Constitution, I'm referring to the 1979 Constitution, says that look, if you don't have any evidence against anyone, if an evidence is not provided, the person remains innocent until proven guilty.
Now when you become lawyer?
So
When you become lawyer?
Tope, come this way. We need to prove a point. I said I need to prove and clarify that you are innocent of this case. Stand. Stand. Look, what did you say your name is? Come over here. Come this way. Because I want to clear everybody's doubt. I need to prove to everyone here that my son Tope is innocent. Tell me, what happened?
You don't like my mind now.
Just tell me how the whole drama played out so that at least we'll be convinced because I know he is innocent. I know he is innocent. Just tell me what happened.
Baba, see, he didn't like this. Baba, he didn't like this.
Give us a second video. The cold over is now. We will give a little medicine.
No, you did it! You are under arrest, Mr. Tope! I have not done all this! I didn't do you! You are under arrest and come back! Come on, move!
Baba, Baba, I love you.
You see your life? You see your life on the net?
Hey, make una see BABATOPE don come again.
Hey! Allah, if I catch that rat, if I lay my hands on the rat that ate this check, 2 million.
Obscenity, they happen now.
Tope, look at the check they gave me to go and cash. And the check that runs into millions of naira. The rat just ate everything, especially the important part in the check. Look at where they signed. He ate it. How do you expect me to cash this huge amount of money now? And the funny thing is that the person that even gave me check is not in the country. He has traveled out. 2 million naira.
But, Baba, forget this thing.
Forget what?
Look, I will not forget it because the rat that carried out this mission, I will also carry out a mission on the rat. I will make sure I plan a severe coup on the rat. For in this house, I'll make sure I succeed in getting rid of that rat. And I will deal with the rat seriously, severely. 2 million naira.
You can't deal with the rats when you don't see. I couldn't see the rats now. See, Baba, wait. I get something, I get something. Okay. I get one scope of go use now. How much?
2 million, You I never knew you are this intelligent because sometimes I imagine your intelligence your in fact let me not even say what I want to say.
Don't forget say na A1 I bring out
I understand. What are we waiting for? Let us
where your slides?
I don't need to look. Let me wear my slippers. I don't have time to wear anything.
We are good like this. Do your so that they will know so you did responsible well. Yes. Let's go work like this. Madam, well done.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Madam. Overseas, Madam, face fine. Madam, now Brazil heavy this or Nigeria heavy. India. Do this guy here for my mama now.
we are here for a business. The money will come once the money comes.
Fine girl.
Don't worry.
I like
you don't say.
Baba, I like this face. Why this is as look like Indomie.
You see, I have come to cash this check. Yes, yeah.
Check is not good. Like it's done.
What did you say?
The check is done. It's not good.
Who turned me? What do you mean the check is done? Did I give you a done check?
Yes.
I gave you a very smooth check. What I say? Oh, you have used that your finger to tear the check and telling me. Imagine what.
See your long finger,
I did not give it to you this way. You're telling I gave you a very smooth check. You're telling me so. You turn the check. I will not take. Look, where is the manager of this bank?
No.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Nonsense.
I'm very sorry. Please, can you just wait for like 5 minutes for me to get this?
That is what you ought to assess it. You're telling me I give you a turn check.
Sorry.
Baba, this 5 minutes too much.
Stop. Just keep on facing.
Madam, please do us a favor. Make it 1,000 naira.
Shut up.
Don't worry.
Is that your problem?
The money is too much. That's why it's going to be hungry. You see the
Baba, you people again? You are under arrest.
See what this is. Imagine.
BABATOPE more than the mumu waiting saying yes sense. Sometimes he says they make sense and sometimes he says no they
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.